The second key reason we're here today is a very important partnership between Am General Insurance and UKM. One of the challenges we have in the industry is developing and attracting talent in key roles and capabilities across the business. And the actuarial area is one of those areas that constantly challenges us around obtaining the right talent and capability. And so the partnership with UKM is one step, one piece of a much broader puzzle to bring capability into Am General Insurance. The partnership we have is very much around sponsoring tuition and books and providing a work environment for these students to be able to come back and start an insurance career. Something all of us in Am General Insurance are extremely proud of. It's the start of us working with the institutions across Malaysia to support them and support people in all aspects of life to be able to grow as individuals. This is a key area for us to develop a talent pipeline into not only Am General Insurance but the whole insurance industry. And we have no doubt these two initiatives are part of a range of aspects that we are working on for Am General Insurance to become Malaysia's most trusted insurer. Thank you.
A partnership which aims to nurture and produce actuaries, not only for the company, but for the industry. With the rapid growth of the financial services industry and the great demand for actuarial skills, a must-have function in life, general, and reinsurance, these actuarial skills. Therefore, there is a pressing need to develop a pool of new actuarial science talents. On behalf of Am General, we are delighted to have UKM as our trusted education partner to work towards our common goal. Apart from the scholarships, Am General will also be providing internship and employment opportunities to deserving final year students from UKM. We believe that this is a good starting point for us to work together for mutual benefit. I would like to thank everyone, all of those who have contributed to the realization of this MoU. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm confident that through this partnership, efforts and commitment, we will be able to achieve more for the future of the actuarial profession.
Today we are here to witness the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between UKM, which is hosted by the Faculty of Sains and Technologi and Am General Insurance Bhd. This partnership between Am General Insurance and UKM is inspired by shared objective to develop and mold potential talents through training, education and research. Indeed, I would say that a prime way of measuring to what extent that the university are able to deliver their function has to start with the right talents. Yes, universities do a lot of other things. We do research, being a research university in Malaysia. Our research activities are very intensive. We also do engagement with communities and various other stakeholders, but still at the end of it, the judgment on our ability to deliver why we are here is basically to be able to produce talents which is fitting the needs of the industries. And I believe that this collaboration, where I was informed that it will be toward funding and also exposing our students to the industries out there, is something that I believe will lead us toward this noble outcome of being a national university. University's excellence should be judged from the perspective of its stakeholders. And we are facing many stakeholders. We have, first of all, the scholarly fraternity of ours, whom probably will be looking into scientific publications and all the work that only probably scholars enjoy most. We have the government there, being a public universities, looking at us and expecting us to also assume some role in the national development in various contexts of progress of the nation, but also from the perspective of the industry, which are looking at, again, toward the quality of graduates that we are producing. And indeed, this is an honor for us, because being able to partner with a remarkable insurance company, Am General, actual science program that we are conducting as its own unique history. It is in fact the first undergraduate programs offered in the country, and the recognition that we are getting is quite remarkable. I'm proud to share with you that the Society of Actuaries USA, being a reputable actuarial professional body, has basically endorsed the actual science program that we are conducting at UKM. We are the first in Malaysia to offer the bachelor degree, and the syllabus, the curriculum, the program that we are conducting, accredited by actuaries, by the Societies of Actuaries, and meeting for the SOA exams, the Society of Actuaries exam. The program has approved courses for 2 out of 3 VEEs, validation by educational experience, granted by SOA. Again, I mean, for us, in addition to what probably known to many on the way higher institutions are being ranked and so on, but the most important thing is actually all these professional bodies and also industries which is near to us. UKM is proud to be associated with Am General and Am Bank Group in this initiative. We appreciate the commitment of Am General Insurance to create talents in the faculty through exposure and financial support. We are very proud and aware that Am General Insurance reputation as one of Malaysia's leading general insurance companies in the market, and therefore we have to oblige and to fulfill the expectation that following this signing of MoU. The MoU signed here today will help provide both parties with a committed approach toward working closely together. In the area that I'm working on the area of competitiveness and growth, this kind of collaboration basically fall under the category what sometimes scholars call the triple helix or quadra helix, where through shared values by parties coming from different perspectives, like us being in the higher education, and Am General Insurance coming from the industry, and also from other perspective of bodies involved in the industry of insurance, we will be able to create values. These are kind of collaboration that I believe goes beyond CSR. The shared value concepts are quite another mileage, another mile after CSR, where parties of common aspirations are pulling together and creating new values. And I believe that the collaboration that we have with Am General Insurance, of course, it will provide scholarships to our students, but also more to our faculty members and also to the interactions that we will be having with the industries. We are proud to share that we are also partners to rating agencies, we are partners to Standard Chartered Foundation, we are partners to RHB, and many other, and most recently we also have this forged collaboration with Samsung for setting up a sonogram school, UKM Sono School, at our Advanced Surgical Center. So this is indeed very much in line with our aspiration, and I believe the aspirations of Am General Insurance as well. In closing, I would like to say how pleased I am to formalize this partnership between Am General Insurance and UKM, and to express sincere thanks to Yang Berbahagia Tan Sri, and also to the leading teams of Am General Insurance to the working committees of UKM for their dedication that allows us to reach to this point. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.